Hi friends, welcome. Friends, this is the question from 2014 set 1 question paper and it was for 2 marks. Here question is the non-dimensional fluid temperature profile near the surface of a convectively cooled flat plate is given by. Here this is the equation, and further where y is measured perpendicular to the plate, L is the plate length, and A, B and C are arbitrary constants. Okay, Tw and T infinity are wall and ambient temperatures respectively. If the thermal conductivity of the fluid is K and the wall heat flux is Q double dash, and thus here the Nusselt number is given as by this equation and is equal to, we have to find out, and here these are the options as you can see. Now to solve this question we will first write down here equation of heat transfer by conduction. So here Q is equal to minus Ka dt upon dx is the equation. Here in this case, in our case, we need heat flux, so heat flux is equal to Q upon A. So here Q double dash is equal to Q upon A. Now it is equal to, in this case, our minus K dou T upon dou Y. Okay, and here we will consider y is equal to 0, because here suppose this is our plate and here we have mentioned in the question y is measured perpendicular to the plate. Okay, so here y, suppose this is our y, okay, perpendicular, and we are considering y at the origin here. So here y is equal to 0 at plate surface. Okay, at plate surface y is equal to 0, so we have taken here y is equal to 0 as you can see. So now we will take this equation here. So here we have now Tw minus T. Here Tw minus T, we will take Tw minus T infinity to the right hand side. Okay, now so here we have now, as you can see, Tw minus T infinity into bracket, okay, into we have here A plus B, this is into bracket, By upon L plus C into bracket Y upon L the whole square. Okay, now friends we will differentiate this whole term. Okay, so here we have now, this is 0, we differentiate by dou t upon dou I like this. So here dtw is 0 minus dou t upon dou y. So here we have now this is constant, so here multiplied by with this. So here we have now Tw minus T infinity, okay, then into bracket this term will get cancelled. So now here this A becomes 0, so plus y, derivative of y is b 1, so b upon L is here, plus derivative of y square is 2y, so here 2 c y upon L square, bracket closed. Let's simplify this. So here we have now minus dou t upon dou y is equal to Tw minus T infinity into bracket again b upon L plus 2cy upon L square. Okay friends, now here we have here y is equal to 0, so let's put the value of y in the equation. So after that we will get here now dou t upon dou y of y is equal to 0 is equal to Tw minus T infinity into bracket b upon L we get here, this is term, this equation we will get after putting y is equal to 0. So now here we have as you can see, q is equal here, q double dash is equal to this equation. So now let's put the value of this. This is equation number 2, this is equation number 1. So now let's put the value of equation 2 in equation 1. So here we will get now q double dash is equal to minus k, as you can see. Now put the values. So here we have tw minus t infinity b upon l. Okay, now here we have, this is Nusselt number. Let's take this value here. So we are writing down here now, and u Nusselt number in given, we have given equation, we will write down now this one, q double dash upon tw minus t infinity into l upon k. Okay, now let's put the value. This is equation number 3 and this is equation number 4. Now let's put the value of equation number 3 in equation number 4. So here, and u is equal to, we have here, wait friends, see here friends, the value of equation 2 we have to put in the equation number 1. So here equation have minus dou t upon dou y is equal to 0, and here also we have minus dou t upon dou y of y is equal to 0. So here this minus sign will not come. Okay, so now let's put the value of equation number 3 in equation number 4. So here we have now k into bracket tw minus t infinity b into b upon l into, here we have now 1 upon tw minus t infinity into l upon k. So now let's see, this and this get cancelled, this and this gets cancelled, this and this gets cancelled, remaining is b here. So here Nusselt number is equal to b. This is the answer for this question. Okay, so here in the question, option B is the correct answer. So friends, in this video we have seen question based on non-dimensional fluid temperature profile. Thank you friends for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.